Hi cuties! Today we are going to learn domestic animals and pets. Let's get started. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.